Now, when the examiner gives you a diagram like this in polygons, expected to find the value of x, it tells you what formula you're going to quote. The value, the x is found where? Inside. So that's, we are going to apply interior formula. So what do? You sum all of them and equate to 8 formula. So what is that? 3x plus x plus 4x plus 70 degree plus 2x all must be equal to what? What is that? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Pentagon. How many sides? So it's 570. Is that correct? Is it 570? Alright. So if you don't recall the sum of interior angle of a particular polygon, just count the number of sides and write. So equal to. So for the sake of space, let me bring it down. Equal to 180 into bracket n minus 2. Now the number of sides is what? 5. So giving me what? 3. Do you understand? We can solve it. So we can solve it straight away to a calculator. You know this equation. Any equation, don't waste your time at all. So let's go. 2x. You can decide to put all together, or let's go straight away. 2x plus x plus 4x plus 4x plus 70 plus 70 plus 2x, right, equal to 180 into bracket n minus 2, and the number of sides here is what? 5 minus 2. You close your bracket, then we solve it. Simple. So let's solve. Shift solve. 47. Do you have the answer there? So objective, don't waste your time. Since it's objectives, paper 2 will be working. When we get to paper 2, we'll be working for you to see how you work it. That is what we do. So the sum of the interior angles will be equal to 180 into bracket n minus 2. That is it. So we have summed it. Sum is addition. So we have added all of them, equated it to the formula. And the formula is n here, 180 into bracket n minus 2. And the n is what? The number of sides. So we count it for the diagram and get the number of sides. Are you okay? You love it? Great. Next question. This question is very interesting. What is the sum of exterior angles of a triangle? The sum of exterior angle of a triangle. What is your answer? What is your answer? Tell me. It's 360 degrees. You know why? We said the exterior angle, the sum of exterior angles of all polygons, no matter the size, whether pentagon, hexagon, 100-gon, whatever gon they call it, provided it's a gon, they all equal to, or they all sum up to 360 degrees. So there's no argument. Are you okay? Thank you. So no matter what he mentions, external sum is 360. When he's asking for only one, it is 360 divided by what? The number of sides. Are you okay? Good. Let's go. Right. It says the sum of interior angles of a regular polygon. So you know you write it. Anything you read in mathematics, you write it. Are you okay? Good. So the sum of interior is what? 180 into bracket n minus what? 2. This is the sum. Is 900. The sum of interior angles of a regular polygon is 900. Write it this way. Find the number of sides. So he's looking for what? N. You know that? You solve it and it will come. And you can solve this with your calculator. You know that. Just solve with calculator. But let's do some show working here. So you open the bracket. So making what? 180 n minus 180 times 2 is what? 360 degrees, or 360 equal to 900. So you group like terms. 180 n equal to 900. This one crosses to join it. Become what? Plus 360. 180 is equal to What do you have here? 900 plus this is what? 1260. So divide both sides by 180. Right? Here also by what? 180. Do you understand? So this one cancels that. Therefore, n is equal to 0 cancels 0. Let's do some calculation. 2 here is what? 9, right? 2 into 100 is what? 50, right? 2 into 10, this is what? 10, 60, 63. So I get 63. 9 will divide 63 how many times? 9, 9, 5, 45. 9, 6, what do you have? 54. 9, 7, 63. So get 7 sides. Are you okay? Now I want to do some show working. mental work. So the answer is 7. Are you okay? Okay, so 4 angles of a hexagon are 130 plus 160 plus 112 plus 80. The remaining 2 angles are equal. So plus this and that. What did I represent by xx? They are equal. So you represent by the same variable. In mathematics, anything you don't know, represent by a variable until you get it. Good. The remaining 2 sides are what? Equal. Find the size of each of the remaining. So if you get x, that is the answer. But look at it. He's talking about hexagon. What is a hexagon? 6-sided polygon. So 4 angles of them. That means this. So these are the internal angles. Are this. So equate it to it, and you get it. So this must be equal to a hexagon. 180 into bracket. What is hexagon? 6-sided. 6 minus 2. You get it. This is what you must do. So let's sum them up. Right? It's a hexagon. So let's sum them up and get our answer. Okay. So the sum of all the 6 angles must be equal to 180 into bracket 6 minus 2. Do you agree with that?